Hey guys, this is Judy from Dina Nails. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have my very last tutorial in the Halloween party series. As part of our Facebook group, today's theme is Halloween, and of course this is a great match for my Halloween party series videos, which unfortunately also bring us to the last tutorial in the series. I do hope that you are enjoying them. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up. That way I know that you would like me to continue with this next year. And I had so much fun, so I really do hope that you guys also enjoy the series. Also, if you are coming from the other channels or you are new to my channel and you don't want to miss out on any of my future videos, before you leave, please hit the subscribe button. I would appreciate that a lot. And as you know, with my collab videos, I will leave for you all the information and details in the description box, and I will have all the pictures that were created for this collab at the end of the video. So thank you so much for organizing, and I think this is a great way to end my Halloween party series nail art tutorial videos. For those of you who are celebrating Halloween, then happy Halloween, and let me know which was your favorite manicure that I created during these last few weeks in the month of October. Alright, that will be all from me, so thank you guys so much for being here today. Thank you so much for your support, and I will be back for with some more soon. So thank you. Bye bye.